Hey guys, hope you are doing great. I'm here with another video today. How to install WordPress plugins. There are 4 different ways that you can install the plugins. The first one is from WordPress search page, and the second one is via FTP, and third one is through upload. I will explain in detail just in a minute. I am just making a note. Through cPanel. Okay, so let's install from search page. As you know, WordPress have various plugins which you can find going wordpress.org and plugin section. Here you can search plugins. They have plugins about everything, and all are free plugins. Yes, many have their pro versions as well. Okay, so once you are logged into your WordPress dashboard, just go to, after you are logged into WP admin, let's log in again so you understand what to do. uh, think about this is your WordPress website. Alright, right here wp-login.php, and then enter your WordPress login details. Click login. After that, you can see here plugin section. Click on it, add new. Here you can search the plugins which you want to install. I will install Repair Buddy because it's my plugin, so I want to use it. And then click install. That's it. The plugin is installed. Now you can activate it so the plugin can start working for you on your website. Alright, so once it's active, you will see the options here. See, it's here. Okay, the first step is done. How to install through WordPress search page. I will delete this plugin so we can reinstall it through via FTP. Once again, go to dashboard, plugins, add new, then search the plugin and install it from here. Okay, from FTP you need a FTP client like FileZilla. FTP client which you can download from their website. Download FileZilla client, not server, client. Okay, download it for your computer, whichever type of computer you are using. Once you have downloaded, then connect your FTP, entering host name, username, password and port. Port is mostly 21, but whatever port your server hosting provider have given you, you have to use that. FTP host, username, password and the port. Once you enter that and connect, after that you will see like this. This is the site, server side. This is server side and this is your local computer side. Alright, so here you have to find the files of your WordPress installation. Our WordPress installation is inside sitetheidea.com. I will enter in it, and the plugins files are inside wp-content folder. I will go inside and plugins, then plugins folder. Here you can see all the plugins which are installed, like Akismet, and is there any other plugin? Hello Dolly. 2 plugins are there. I will download my plugin again from here. Here, buddy. Search the plugin whichever you want to use. Download it from this download button and save it in your local directory somewhere. I will put it in. Okay, now go to that directory. show in folder. Ex Extract it here. You cannot upload zip file through FTP. That will not work. So better extract it here. Extract. After you have extracted it, make sure this folder have plugin files inside. There is no other folder like this. This is not two entries before you see files. It's only one entry before you see files of plugin, including readme and main plugin file. Okay, it's here. Then upload this folder into plugins directory of your server so your plugin can be there. Now this is your computer, this is your server. From your computer you have to upload this directory into your server. Just right click on it and click on upload. It's uploading. Once uploading is finished, you will then see the plugin in your plugins in your WordPress dashboard plugins section. Let's go to WordPress dashboard, and once the upload is complete, we will go to plugin section to see the plugin there, so we can activate the plugin to use it. Okay, plugin is uploaded. It should be here now. Remember, you have to activate it because it's just uploaded or installed, but it's not active yet. Activate it so you can start using your plugin. See, it's again here. I will deactivate and delete it. I will delete it, and if I refresh here, this directory will be gone. See, it's gone. Okay, so there is the third way. We have covered both. Third way is via upload. Some premium plugins like you get them as a zip file. So what you have to do, you have to extract that zip file in your local computer like I've done here, and inside that file you may get many folders. Like you can see that inside my purchase file I got assets, plugin file and documentation. Inside plugin files I can find the zip file of the plugin, so I will go and install this one. Zip file. To upload the zip file, you can just go to add new. Once you click on add new, see, these plugins are from WordPress.org, which I showed you here, and the plugin which you have to upload from your local directory, just click on this upload button, then choose file from your local machine, this zip file. Here you can only upload zip file. Here you cannot send several files or directory. You just have to upload zip file, so WordPress automatically extract it and save it in your server like this. See, we'll refresh it and you can see WordPress have taken the zip file and extracted it inside plugins folder. Okay, once it's active, you can see all options here. That's good. Now the last way is to install the WordPress plugin is through cPanel file manager, cPanel file manager, and I think login your cPanel control panel. Many hosting companies have different type of control panels, so Please refer your control panel documentation if that is different than this preview. But the cPanel is very famous software. Almost all are like this. Okay, so to upload plugin from cPanel, you just have to go to File Manager, then find your WordPress installation you are working on. We are working on installation inside siteidea.com. I will go to its directory. See, the site idea is not primary domain of this cPanel. That's why the location is not public underscore HTML for this site. The location is this folder. I will go inside, then I will go to WP content, then I will go to plugins, and here I have to upload the plugin as a zip file. Okay, click on this upload button. You will reach here. Now select the file you want to upload. I will again select the same zip file. Once it's uploaded, refresh this page, clicking on this reload button, right click, extract here. After extracting, make sure the folder have plugin files. There is no duplicate of computer repair folder, because sometimes the zip files make these type of problems. And remove your zip folder so no one can download it from your server. Okay, now again go back to your plugins and activate the plugin. So these are the 4 ways to upload WordPress plugin, and I have explained them. If you have any questions, please post below. Thank you.